Shut up, everybody shut up. I think you've had too much to speak. Give me the keys, plug the leak, or go take a little step off something steep. I might be a fuck up, but I wanna do splendid things. I want somebody to remember me and maybe drive me around in a limousine. I'm just joking, I'd rather drive myself, rather fly myself. Most time rather be all by myself. A party of one, and I keep going for as long as the arteries pump. Don't start no junk. I'm not a thug, but I'm hardly a punk. And if it ain't the hard part of the month, throw your hands in the sky, sing the harmony once.
Shut your pretty mouth. I got a window in my car, I can see it all. I don't trust a motherfucker one bit though. There it go. Shut your pretty mouth. I got a window in my house, I can see it all. I don't trust a motherfucker one bit though.
Shut up, everybody shut up. I brought my own knife and fork, stood up to address the court and said the kid's so